I am Mary Lou Francis from the SOLIDWORKS training team. Did you know SOLIDWORKS comes with cloud storage? This means anyone using SOLIDWORKS can store their CAD data on the 3D Experience platform in the cloud. Saving files to 3D Experience is super easy. Save directly from SOLIDWORKS to the 3D Experience platform, then check your cloud file status in the FeatureManager flyout. Let's get started. In SOLIDWORKS, open or create your CAD model. I will open an existing spring part from a swing arm assembly. Save the part to the 3D Experience platform on the cloud by selecting Save to 3D Experience on the SOLIDWORKS Save menu. Your part saves to the cloud in a secure space where you and your team can collaborate. The 3D Experience platform takes care of securing access for you and others on your team. It does this using platform features to control permissions. You choose the collaborative space to store your data and a bookmark to easily find your data. After saving, the SOLIDWORKS FeatureManager shows information about your part in relation to the cloud. While in SOLIDWORKS, you're always working with a local copy of your model, but when saved, it is synced up to the 3D Experience platform. The status column shows if the open file matches the one stored on the platform. Color-coded icons alert you if a newer version is available. The lock column shows if a part is locked for edit. Similar to document checkout, this prevents anyone else from editing a part while you have it locked. Just click the lock icon. The revision column displays which revision you're working on, and the green check shows that you have the latest revision. To see more metadata governing your cloud CAD files, open the MySession panel in the Task Pane. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this content helpful, visit the site below to access a video-based learning path on the 3D Experience platform.